Welcome, beautiful, beautiful people, to the Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? Dee Dawn is at it again. She's in the kitchen. And what Dee Dawn will be doing today? Stir fry shrimp. Half of bell pepper. Half of the bell pepper. The green one I'm using. You can use a red, yellow. It doesn't matter. AKA sweet pepper. Here's, I have some dill. It's like, that's 2 stalks of dill. A piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. You don't want to storm your stuff with too much pepper. So this is just a little piece of the green Scotch bonnet pepper. 1 inch of ginger. 1 stalk of scallion. 2 cloves of garlic. 1 onion or half of an onion. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And remember, when you're using the olive oil, you have different type. So ensure the one you buy for this is stir fry. Saute it in, stir fry. You have the one for vegetable salad, etc. Celery, 2 stalks of celery. So 2 stalks of celery. Half teaspoon all-purpose. Half teaspoon paprika. And half teaspoon Himalayan salt. This salt is from the mountain. You can use the sea salt, use whatsoever salt you want. You can add more salt too if you want. But this soy sauce, it have a lot of salt in it already, so you don't need all that salt. And guys, here goes the shrimps. Here goes the shrimp. So this is 1 pound of shrimp. And these you have to put in the boiling water. This is not the one that cook or anything, so you got to move the outer layer from it. So you got to put it in some boiling water to peel the outside off. If you don't have patience, if you don't have patience to strip it, you can buy the one that already strip. So I'm just gonna get this in some boiling water, but I'm trying it coming off even without the boiling water. You see, you have to ensure that you strip it off, and you're gonna devein it. Devein, you take the tripe out. This tall black thing here, yeah, you're gonna devein. So you just cut on it, and see, it's a tripe. You see, it's fine, but devein and pull them out. So I'll be doing all the shrimps like this until we're done. So let me pour the water, the hot water on. This is the boiling water. You can put the shrimps in, or you can just pour it on it. So they become pink. It's looking beautiful, ain't guys? So beautiful, people. Please to subscribe to D Dawn Kitchen, like and share, and remember, hit that notification bell, so when D Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to be notified. So all of this is waste. You see, all this come from the shrimp. And now we're gonna rinse our shrimps under some cold water. And now, beautiful people, we're gonna cut. The pepper is already small, so I don't need to have to cut it anymore. For your scallion, your garlic, the onion. This is a ginger. Scallion. Bell peppers, aka sweet pepper. Celery. Dill. With the shrimps, the all-purpose, paprika, and the Himalayan salt. You're just gonna combine everything on the shrimp, and you rub it in. And you can just let it rest for like 10-15 minutes. Okay, let me work on my ginger. Oh, I could do the ginger already, the garlic. I'm just gonna compress the garlic and compress the garlic with the ginger. So you want to get the skillet, let it be heated on the fire like for 30 seconds, and this is the oil you pour in it. And now that's 1 minute. You're gonna add the garlic. And the shrimps. Just gonna give this 2 minutes. Add the ginger and the stove is on medium high heat. I'm gonna put the onion, scallion, bell pepper, celery. The pepper, you add all your vegetable in. It's gonna give this 3 minutes. So 3 minutes now, you look in the shrimp is pink and firm. And the vegetable is hot. So now you're gonna add the soy sauce in. Guys, just 1 more minute and we're done. Hey guys, we finished. Stir fry shrimp. It's done. Look at this, guys. Ain't it looking delicious? Hey, beautiful people, ain't it looking delicious? Looking at this. OMG. So, hey, my beautiful people. Look at this. Ain't it looking delicious? Tasty? Guys, I think you should give it a try. Our stir fry shrimp is now ready for eating. Please remember to thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching D Don Kitchen. I love you. I love you all. Peace.